Imagine waking up to headlines saying Amazon, one of the biggest companies on earth, is about to lay off 30,000 people. Not factory workers, not delivery drivers, but corporate employees, the kind of white-collar jobs most people thought were safe. That's what's happening right now, and it's all tied to one thing: artificial intelligence. Amazon is gearing up for one of the largest job cuts in its history, as many as 30,000 corporate positions, roughly 10% of its office workforce. Reports say pink slips could start going out any day now. These aren't small cuts, either. Teams in advertising, HR, cloud computing, and even divisions like Audible are all being hit. The message from inside Amazon is clear: the company is resetting its culture to be leaner, faster, and powered by AI. Executives are calling it a day one reboot, a nod to Jeff Bezos' original philosophy of always operating like a startup. That means getting rid of middle layers, cutting costs, and replacing slow processes with automation. One Amazon VP told employees to lean in on AI, emphasizing that artificial intelligence isn't just a tool anymore, it's the new foundation of the company. CEO Andy Jassy has been open about this for months. Back in June, he told staff Amazon would use every technology available to streamline operations and reduce costs. And that's exactly what's happening. With AI tools now capable of automating everything from HR analytics to ad optimization, Amazon is using machine intelligence to do work that once required entire departments of people. As one analyst put it, AI has become the holy grail for cost cutting. But it's not just the corporate offices. Amazon's warehouses are transforming too. Experts say robots could soon replace up to 600,000 human jobs across Amazon's global network. These next-general machines can sort, pack, and inspect products faster and with fewer errors than humans. For Amazon, that's efficiency. For workers, it's a warning sign that automation isn't just coming, it's here. Even Audible, Amazon's audiobook giant, has joined the trend. The CEO confirmed new layoffs, saying they're painful but necessary to stay competitive in an AI-driven world. Some teams are already testing AI narrators and sound engineers, systems that can replicate human voices and emotion with stunning accuracy. It's creative automation at scale, and it's blurring the line between innovation and replacement. All of this ties into a much bigger question: are we ready for what's next? Many experts say 2025 marks the beginning of the race toward artificial general intelligence, AI that can think, reason, and make decisions independently. Some even warn that we're on the edge of artificial superintelligence, where machines surpass human capability altogether. And what's happening at Amazon might just be the first real-world glimpse of that future. Amazon insists these changes are about evolution, becoming smarter, faster, and more adaptable in a world moving at lightning speed. But for tens of thousands of employees, that evolution comes with a pink slip. It's a reminder that the future of work is no longer theoretical. The AI revolution isn't something we're waiting for, it's unfolding in real time. What do you think about Amazon's AI-driven job cuts? Drop a comment below with your opinion. Are these cuts a necessary evolution? Or a stark warning for all white-collar workers? Hit follow to stay up to date. Thank you for watching.